In Artlantis, artificial light sources are organized into light groups. Each light group can be set as active or can be kept hidden, resulting in customized views in terms of lighting. Lights can be managed in the Light Inspector. The drawer lists all light groups and light sources. The active ones are displayed with bold letters. The plus sign with multiple bulbs allows you to create a new light group, which will be automatically set active for the present view. This hosts the future light sources to be created with the other plus sign. Both the light group and light source can be renamed for easier management. A newly created artificial light will always overlap the camera. That's why we can easily find it in the 2D window. Grab it from one of the yellow dots and move it. As soon as the light appears in the preview, you can continue to edit it here, too. Moving it along the blue axes means lifting the light only in a vertical direction. You can also change the angle of the light as well as its direction. We can also move the light in the 3D space right in the preview window by moving the blue axes belonging to the light. This is a very flexible axis that can be grabbed by one of its ends. It will automatically detect surfaces and give you visual feedback about the placement of the light. The endpoint is now on the table, so we can make sure that the light source is above it. This light will complete the geometry of this lamp, so after we move the axes into the right position, we need to adjust the other parameters of the light. Give it a lift and change the direction of the light. In the inspector, you will set the power of the light on this exponentially changing slider. Adjusting the angle, you can transform your spot into a bulb by changing it to 360 degrees. Click on the color square to open the detailed color editor and set the color. The shadow casting is checked by default, and the slider below can smooth its limits. There are 9 projection types helping you to set a large variety of light types. Our light is now ready, and it can be easily duplicated and used for the other 2 lamps. In the 2D window, grab the yellow dot of the light, and while the Alt key is held down on the keyboard, drag an additional copy for the other lamp. Once more, and all 3 lights appear listed in the drawer too. To make changes for all 3 lights at the same time, select them in the drawer and change their parameters either in the inspector or in the preview. Change their direction or angle. The large variety of lighting scenes in Artlantis allows you to set the most realistic combination for your renderings. Take advantage of it!